If you did not subscribe our channel yet, so please go to the subscribe button, red color, and click this. And if you want to get notification of each video, so select all here. So now you have subscribed our channel, you will get new video every time. Today our topic is hydraulic press. Normally we use the word hydraulic press and also power press also we can tell this machine, and we will tell you about this all machine that only here that full frame here and one cylinder, hydraulic cylinder in this side, upper side. It will be up and down through this manual valve, this manual operated valve. When it will become, so plunger will be moved, so that time it will be work. Cylinder will get hydraulic power from hydraulic pressure from upper side, so it will become downside. When it will be get pressure from this line, so it will be go upside. And also that this is frame, you can see that the dark color green, this is the pin. It depends that size of pin on your strength of your press. When we want to shift this, suppose we have our object or our job is more than height and we need more height, so we can remove this pin and we can lose this nut, this three nut, both plate tight with through this, and this pin hold this this big plate through this your frame. So when we will lose this press and lose this nut, this bolt nut, so that time it will become we can set in this hole, on this hole. All here you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 numbers of hole one side. So it will be, we can adjust according to our side, our job, that how much distance we want, we can set this. Suppose we are we are using this press to cut or some parts that regularly we are using same height of our job, so no need to adjust this. We can adjust one time and we can use this. This is the one plate here. We can remove this plate also if we want to share our job here. And if we want our job is more than diameter, more than this our this part, so we can put one flange here also. We can use that like that. If it depends that what we want, the share, cutting and some pressing, and we want to extract some item from some parts, so we can use this press. And also it will work through that your power pack, that one gear pump and also filter and one motor will move this. So when it will be rotate motor, so it will be make the pressure, and pressure we will get through this pipe. You can see there. And also this our tank of your hydraulic oil, the drain system, if we want to clean this, and if we want to fill, so we can use this pot and also this pot. And also that is the level case of this, that how much level should be to rotate this pump also. Pump, we cannot run pump without oil. If we dry pump will run, so that time pump will be damaged. Here that this valve, we will tell that about this valve, that how to, because cylinder and all related item already we have told you here, that in this press, that's what is the specialty of this press. We will tell you this, that we can make the frame, and if we want to create one machine and new system as per our requirement, or too easy our work, so that time we need the machine. We make the machine as per our requirement. System will be same, that we have cylinder here to move up and down side, and also that here that the valve we are using here, manual control valve. No need to go with electric control, because we want to pressure when we want, so we will pull the this handle, so it will be work. How it will work, we will show you. Pressure is coming through this pipe, and this yellow color is the drain pipe. Drain, or you can say the return of your used oil will be go through back your power pack or tank. Here that pressure is coming here. What pressure we need, we can set through this relief valve. We have used this relief valve, we can rotate this, so that time it will be go back. And how much pressure we want, so we have to tight this relief valve, so it will be tight, and that unwanted or unrequired pressure will be released through this port. You can see that here, that this is this part is connected with this. Also, one more thing here, you can see that that incoming line will is connected with this port. That this is the plunger. It will be operate through this. When it will be go to this side and also this side, it will be move itself. So first, this line is going to here. This is the return from this, and also this point. This you can see that here. We can show all things here. If you want to in detail, we will tell you about this valve later. Here, when your lever will be at the middle, that time you can see that pressure is coming here in this pipe also, and this pipe also, and your return line. This is a return line where you are seeing my scrubber crusher. So this point is connected to this, and also draining is also here. Here it will be here at that time. That is the middle of this. So all pressure, what pressure pump is making, that pressure will be drained to this, and it will return to your tank. No pressure will operate your valve or your cylinder, because that pressure is going to directly your tank. When you will push this manual lever, so that time your one time this your drain will be closed from here, and pressure line is directed to here, and other point the pressure is not coming here, and drain is open for this. It means pressure will come here and your cylinder will go upside, because pressure is coming in downside. So that time your piston will go upside. So return pressure should be released when your cylinder will work. So return pressure will go through this and to this drain point and return to your tank. So pressure will come in here, and return oil will come to this pipe to your tank. And when we push this lever, this side, back side, you can see now that the return of this pipe, that upper side is closed and pressure is come in your upper side. And now the drain for this your downside pipe is open now. So when you pressure will come this side, go, and it will be returned to that what oil in our cylinder, that oil will be drained through this to our tank. It means it will be work. Your cylinder will operate when you will touch your or move your lever. If you want to push that downside, so have to push back side this lever. So this is the easy manually operated system. If you want to know about this manual valve, so we will tell you in other video that what is the working and what is the benefit of this valve, and what is the reason that we put our relief valve in the side, and sometime we use this relief valve also one in here also to to save our pump life here. And also one more thing, when we do the work in this machine, so that time we need to carefully, because here no protection. So when that some 10% who know about this machine very well will work on this machine, that some learner or that new work or fresh person should not touch this machine, because it is very difficult machine. When you put some job here, that if that fitting of job is not very good, so that time that job move a little bit or slip and skid, so that will be harmful of your body. We can make many types of item that like some disc or some rod and bend rod, all items, many types of item we can make through this hydraulic press. So guys, if you like this press, so please don't forget to like our video, and for another video, so please wait, and we will definitely upload new video next time. Thank you.